Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can fill in selections and layers you create with colors, gradients, and patterns. You can also apply strokes to selections you make. A stroke applies a colored border to the edge of a selection. One of the most common fills you can perform is the fill of the currently selected background or foreground color into a selection. To do this, select the desired background and foreground colors that you want for the fill colors. Then use one of the selection tools to select the area to fill. If you do not make a selection, you will instead fill in the entire selected layer. To quickly apply the foreground color, press both the Alt plus Delete keys at the same time on your keyboard. To quickly apply the background color instead, press the Control plus Delete keys on your keyboard. Another way to apply a fill is to select Edit, Fill Selection from the menu bar instead. This provides you with more options for creating a fill by using the Fill Layer dialog box. In this dialog box, select what you want to use as the fill content from the Use drop-down in the Contents section. Note that choices include the foreground color and background color. You can also select the Color option, which launches the Color Picker dialog box where you can select a new fill color to use. You can also select a pattern to insert instead of a color. If you select the pattern choice, then select the pattern to apply from the Custom Pattern drop-down in the Contents section. Note that you can also select black, white, or 50% gray from the choices in the Use drop-down menu to apply those fills as well. You can select the Content Aware choice to allow Photoshop Elements to attempt to fill in the selection with content from the image. This is useful for removing blemishes or unusual elements from an image or quickly filling in empty canvas areas in an image for images that have a fairly consistent background pattern available. In the Blending section, you can also select one of the blending modes for the fill from the Mode drop-down menu. You can also set the opacity percentage of the fill by typing the desired percentage into the Opacity field. To preserve transparent pixels if needed, check the Preserve Transparency checkbox if available. When you are ready to apply the selected fill, simply click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.